Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'm going to be making a strawberry and blueberry dump cake. So please, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And if you could do me a favor and hit the like on your way in, and if you haven't already, join the family and subscribe. So we're going to start by adding our frozen strawberries and our frozen blueberries, and you could use them fresh if you would like. I'm just using what I have on hand. And don't worry, I will have the full recipe listed down below. Next, I'm just going to be adding just about a half a cup of some granulated sugar just to add a little sweetness to it. Now we're just going to get us a good mix just to make sure the sugar is covering all of the fruit. Now we're just going to be using 1 box of cake mix, and you could use yellow or white, but today I'm using white. And you want to make sure you add a nice even layer of the cake mix on top of all the berries, covering all the berries. Now with your clean hands, you're just going to pat it down just to make sure everything is nice and even. Now let's add our butter. Now we're just going to put our dump cake inside the oven on 350 for about 35 minutes until it's completely golden brown. And once it's out of the oven, it should look something like this. Look at this deliciousness. And make sure you let this sit for about 30 minutes before you cut into it because it is very, very hot. Now we're just going to cut into it. And when I tell y'all, this came out so good and it made the house smell so good. I would definitely recommend making this anytime. Like if you just on a hunch and you just want something sweet real fast, this is definitely a go-to. And if you enjoy making dump cakes like I do, check out my other dump cake recipes down below. Lastly, we'll be adding some whipped cream, and I usually would serve this with some ice cream, but I just wanted to keep it light and use some whipped cream. And I have a recipe for my whipped cream, so you guys can check that out. Also, I'll leave that down below. Now we're just going to dust her with some powdered sugar, and just like that, we made ourselves some homemade dump cake. Please leave down below what you would like to see me bake next, and you never know, that might be the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate all the likes and shares. And also, if you haven't done so already, I hope you consider subscribing and joining the family. And until next time, peace.